So let's start. Hello, my name is Nurbike and I'm with my partner Yerulan. We'll explain you the topic usability of interfaces. Our group is IT1 2102. So let's start. In our video, in our content, you would know what is the usability of interfaces, why we need that in daily life, and the types of and examples of interfaces. Also, we will conclude it. So the first one, what is the usability of interfaces? The usability of interfaces, it's such kind of interaction, such kind of communication, meeting up with the computer system and the individuals. So there are two main things: computer and humanity that are interact with each other and form human-computer interaction, or shortly HCI. So what is the main goal of usability of interfaces? Its main aim is to make for the users as simple and effective as possible. So it also includes the design of the website or program or app. Also includes the includes the information, detailed information. Is it detailed or not? Is there such kind of function, help or something like that? So it all should be possible to even to a kid to do some sort of things like buying someone or like buying something or do project work, presentation, and so on. Also, this usability, this term usability is very effective in our daily life. Also in the business deal, it also can be contained like the marketing process and the concept. So the many business deals are searching for the usability of their own websites. Also, with this usability, for example, if you are doing presentation, you could also use some kind of sheets and also some pictures from the internet. So it's all for us, it's all for the users, consumers to do these things and projects and so on. So there are 5 criteria of usability of system. First, it should be easy to learn. It should be easy to learn something. It should be too easy and colorful and attractive for the users. Second, it's the efficiency of the use. As I said before, the efficiency of the use should be available and reliable for the consumers and have the high productivity. Third one, it's memorable. It should contain the data we inputted like right now, and contain it until we delete the project. So for us, we would not waste our times to type something again and so on. The fourth is the error prevention. It should also prevent some kind of viruses, some kind of errors, or some kind of slow connection and so on. It should be fast. Simple, and the last one, satisfactory. It should be also satisfactory for the users to use it, and it should be a lack of the discomfort also. In addition, if some kind of businesses want to know are their websites, products, or apps usable, there's some kind of usable testing, usable survey, so they would know. Also, why we need it in our daily life? Actually, we know that it's a human behavior to behave like the lazy man, to choose only the easiest way, to choose only the simplest way to do some hard work or study. So we are using your usability. For us, it's only making our lives easier and our lives like lighter than doing some hard work and so on. So there are, for interface success, there are three things: user usability, and the utility. Utility means availability, effectiveness, and so on. So the next is the types of interfaces. My partner Yerulan will explain you the types of interfaces.
Yes, hello, my name is Yerulan and I continue explain four types of interface. The first types of interface is voice user interface. Voice user interface is an interface through which a person with his own voice can control a phone, computer, or other service where he can run different applications and so on. For example, voice interfaces include applications such as Siri, Alisa, Alexa, Cortana, and others. And the most large IT companies are increasingly investing in voice interfaces, namely voice assistant. And about 4 billion people in Earth have access to voice interfaces, but not all people use them. They are actually very useful and convenient. For example, if your hands are busy, you can use them to find or turn on something. You can also use them to check out, make it easier to find information, and more. And the next user interface is graphical user interface. Graphical user interface is an interface where the user interacts with visual objects, buttons, icons, pictures on the screen. And the first personal computers used the text-based operating system that used a incomprehensible combination of numbers and letters, and of course we are difficult to use. And the graphical interface replaced this incomprehensible combination with symbols, pictures, icons that were controlled with a mouse. And this made the work much easier for the user. And also with the help graphical user interface, it's become possible to transfer files and programs, open different windows in programs, and so on. The first graphical user interface was created by a company Xerox in 1970, and the most common graphical user interface is Microsoft Windows. And the next user interface is a command line interface. The command line interface is the oldest but most reliable interface of all. Using this interface, you can interact with your computer throughout our command line. For example, a user types command in the command line language and press enter. A large number of functions can be performed in this way, and but the disadvantage of this interface is that the user must learn the command line language, know the commands, and to write them without errors. And therefore, only professional users use this interface. And the next and last types of users in the list is touch user interface. Touch user interface is it is a touchscreen that can be operated with your fingers. They are commonly found in laptops, computers, smartphones, tablets, ATMs, and others. Using this interface, the user can select all short application and function by tapping on your screen. Most of the apps and games that use this interface are optimized at touch because of the widespread use of touchscreen. And conclusion is this using interface. They're using such kind of interface, and usable programs or website are playing the true crucial moment in our daily life. Also, considering the epidemic situation, this has been available for everyone. And it's all. Thank you for your attention.